Picture a bustling city operating in perfect harmony. Suddenly, the air shifts. It isn't a storm rolling in. It's a scent, a single chemical odor that sends thousands of defending soldiers into a blind panic, abandoning their posts without a single fight. Who just showed up? Meet the Amazon ant, the ultimate nightmare of the insect world. These ants don't build nests, they don't forage for food, they don't even raise their own young. They are built for one thing: war. Their jaws aren't made for chewing. They're curved, sickle-like daggers designed to pierce armor and crush heads. But they don't just rely on brute force. When they strike, they deploy biological warfare. They release a chemical gas that disorients the defenders, driving them into such a frenzy that they literally open their gates for the invaders. Here's the real shocker, though. They don't want to kill everyone. Their true mission? A heist. They steal the unhatched larvae and carry them back to their own colony. And when these stolen babies hatch, the real tragedy begins. They open their eyes and accept their kidnappers as family. They spend their entire lives as slaves, serving the exact same killers who wiped out their colony. They clean them, maintain the nest, and even feed the Amazon ants directly mouth to mouth, because the masters have literally forgotten how to feed themselves. It is the ultimate form of biological slavery, born free but dying a servant to your family's killers. All while believing you're right at home.